And this is my video review of the Glenville water pump cascading water fountain. So as you can see, you can hear it from quite a distance. Pay no attention to the random Cocker Spaniel on the couch. Has a very nice, serene sound. Not too loud, not too subtle. Keep in mind, this is the highest setting that I have it on. You can actually control the setting and put it on a lower setting than this, and I imagine that will definitely be a more subtle effect. Gives a very nice, and adds a nice atmosphere and completes any living room setting. The setup is very easy assembly, very easy. Comes in this box with instructions, but once again, very easy. You don't really even need the instructions. Any idiot, any buffoon could set this up in a matter of seconds. Our president, Donald Trump, could set this up in a matter of seconds with no hesitation and no problems. So that tells you exactly how easy this assembly should be. Another thing I want to point out is that the packaging is not discreet. So if you live in an area that's a little rough around the edges, like South Central and Los Angeles, or the rougher part of Brooklyn, New York, or any urban area, you may want to keep that in mind, because with this type of packaging, it lets all your neighbors know that you have a water fountain coming. And usually the people, UPS, FedEx, whomever, will just leave it on your porch, there for the taking. I guarantee you, if you're in one of those rougher areas that I just described, it'll probably be there for an hour before it gets taken. So you may want to keep that in mind when ordering the packaging. Make sure you have a doorman or someone that can receive it and sign off for it. Another great thing about this is that with the matter of changing just it to nighttime setting, it still gives a very nice effect. Now, as you can see, I accessorized this water fountain with my own devices, with artificial planting, and a flameless LED light that did not come with the water fountain. But as you can tell, it probably adds a little different atmosphere and gives a more real look. Someone actually asked about, can you put goldfish in here? I don't think so. It doesn't seem, well, that's up for personal perception. I would not put any goldfish in here, but it's very nice for a nice, serene, relaxing environment. And that is my review of the Glenville water fountain cascading. Oh God, that title's so long. Yeah, this is my review.
show you. Check out this beauty. Yeah. How cool is that? Spokes all the way around. And come out and do a full view. And then come in. And I still want to go down to the beach and get some rocks in my bowls. Submersible lights and change the colors. Anything you want. I am in love with this fountain. Oh my gosh, it's so awesome. it.